Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a brand new video, and of course I'm excited because today we're going to be filming with the take two, filming with the PEEP collection, and this is from Hipdot. This is a little collab with Hipdot. And this, hopefully y'all see this before Easter, because then that would be pointless. But hopefully y'all see this. I think I might post this like right after my Tapatio one. If you guys did like that video, make sure to leave a little thumbs up. Let me know you guys like that video. Today we're gonna be getting into this little collection. I'm super excited to show you guys everything. If you guys want to see this whole collection and see how this look turns out, then just keep on watching. This is the sponges. This is what it comes in. It comes with 4, and I already used one of them. I was gonna use it on camera for you guys, but I think I'm just gonna use that just to do a little bit of a bake moment like I did in my last video. I just used the sponge just for like the baking because I already did it on my TikTok. So if you guys want to see how these applied my concealer and all that, definitely go check me out on TikTok and on Instagram at LUXXE. Most of them just comes in these little tubes here, and they're super cute. Let me show you guys how they look. They're so adorable. I don't remember how much they cost, so I'll leave everything in the description bar below. But this is how they come. Look how cute. I wish you guys can see how adorable these are. Look how cute these are. Look, don't they just look so adorable? And then this is obviously the before and then after if you wet it and stuff like that. The other 3, so you guys can see, it comes with a blue, a pink little one, and then the back, of course, it has like the trademark like PEEP and Hipdot, the whole shebang. And then this is the palette, which is super cute. I love the packaging. I think they nailed it on the packaging for sure. And then this is the palette. Of course they had to add their neutrals in here, so I understand why there's 2 neutrals in here. And then the mirror I think is adorable. Look at that mirror. I'm gonna try not to like blind y'all, but look at that mirror. Isn't that so cute? I swear they added like every little detail. It's just so cute. Oh my god, PEEPS. I don't even know how to say personality. Oh, personality, but PEEPS. Peepsonality? Is that even? Oh my. So of course I'm just gonna go in here and just prime my lids, the same old with the ABH primer. A little prime, because like Nikki Tutorial says, not to prime is a crime. Okay, so of course this is the palette. Again, I will have everything in the links description bar below. Okay, so usually I have like a theme, like I kind of know what I want to do. Today, I don't really know what I want to do. I do know I want to do a halo eyes. Let me see what else we have. We also have the pink and the yellow. So I feel like maybe do the purple in the outer corner and then blue in the inner corner. And then maybe since it's a halo, maybe we can do like a pink right here. And then like spreading it out, do the yellow maybe. And then to blend, we'll just use these 2 shades, right? Maybe that's just what I'm feeling. I'm feeling that. So we're just gonna first dip into that shade Marshmallow right here. It's a really pretty purple shade. It has a little bit of a pink undertone, so I would say like a purple pink. I don't know which I would call that, but we're just gonna pack this on here. Of course, okay, that's a pretty color. Here, and I do have this shade already, Marshmallow, in my eyebrow. I did like a little slant right there. You can barely see it, but I just added that because I wanted to be extra. And of course, my extra ass did it anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna go again. I usually do the same old shape on this part. Always just bring this part out. Super pretty color. Love that color. Mix these 2 together with that lighter shade because there's not literally a lighter color in here for me to blend that purple out. So we're just gonna go in with that lighter color and use that to start blending everything out. We're gonna go into that bunny shade, that really nice blue color. We're just gonna dip on this with a Beauty Bay. Oh girl, what is that? BB204 brush. We're just gonna pack that blue on. Again, with the last video, I don't think this is gonna be too much of a review. I'm just gonna like do a little tutorial using the palette. It's so hard for me to review, like especially like Hipdot when it comes to like these little mini collections, because they're just cute little mini collection that's gonna die down. Like, you know, after Easter. Like, I don't think anyone's gonna use this after Easter, and that's just the tea because, you know, that's just how makeup is. Makeup is like fast fashion, like obviously, and once a palette is like done its work, people move on. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. This is the Anastasia A14. I'm just gonna attach this into my inner corner. And then slowly start bringing this right under here. And then of course I'm gonna go in here with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna go under here underneath my eyes. I don't know why I use a different primer for underneath my eyes. I think it's because this one's just so much easier. If just like that, you should have a little halo moment, and then we're gonna go in again with that purple marshmallow. We're gonna pack that right under here. That's the vibe. I think it's really adorable. I think it's like just the vibe that I was looking for. So for the halo, I'm super simple when it comes to that. Like I don't really do too much, but I am gonna go in here with, oh, you know what? Let me do my TikTok. So now we're gonna go in with that shade called Chick. It's that really pretty pink. Let me swatch this just to make sure. I should have swatched all the colors. So that's that really pretty pink. And we're just gonna use that color on our finger. And we're just gonna pack this here on the, like this little center part. Pack this under here with our finger again. I think applying shimmers with a finger is the best way to do it. Go in here with that really pretty gold sweet shade, and I just could not use this shade. I feel like this color, it just speaks with the palette. So I feel like I really needed to go in there with this. So we're gonna pack this right here in the center, and we're gonna bring this up to our brow. Let's try to get this hair out of the way. Again, how do you guys feel about the hair? This is just like my lazy hair. I haven't been like doing it recently. I just feel like I'm just loving like the easy natural, not even natural hair, but like just digging the everyday hair right now. It's just so much easier. I don't have to do the whole, I could just wake up and scrunch it together with some like pomade and I'm good to go. So that is that yellow. It's not as bright as I was hoping, so let me just pack a little bit more. Maybe I just need another layer. Right, maybe it just needs another layer. Maybe I should bring that down then, because if you're seeing this with like how I'm seeing it, it's not like that pretty with this look, but let me see. I can always make it work. Going with that yellow again right here. Let's pack her. Ooh, not under our eyes, like right above. Let me see if I have a packing brush for this, because I don't really like the way it's applying with my finger. So let me just, can you guys even see that, girl? Like, wait. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna have to bring this yellow down then. So you guys are watching. I'm pulling that yellow down. Definitely the way to go with this. Ooh, you know what? That is actually very pretty. Ooh, I like that. I like that little yellow drip. I like that. That's actually kind of cute. I was not expecting to do that, but hey, I'm down for that. Yeah, I love the way this looks. So yeah, I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and apply some lashes. And I might be back for the lips because I do have some lip products from Carity that I did want to try out on camera for you guys. Oh, I just dropped my phone. But yeah, I did pick up a few, I didn't pick up a few products. Carity sent me some products and I wanted to try out this lip gloss maybe. Either this purple or this pink one. I might mix the two, who knows? I don't even know, or I might even wear nude, who knows? But yeah, so I might come back on the lips, and then if not, then obviously I'll have the outfit. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I obviously ended up applying the rest of my whole face because I was like, you know what? Let me just do the rest of my face. I ended up going on live. Again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me because I go live most of the time I do my looks, especially the ones I do on YouTube. I do it way before, so if you guys want to see my looks before they come out, definitely Instagram live because it always goes down on my Instagram live. So yeah, this is the eye. I didn't add anything new from the last time I saw you guys. I did pretty much the same thing on this side. End up going in with the LA Girl pastel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sunshine. Up in here in the waterline, I think it really helped brighten up my eyes. And then I ended up going in with the Carity lip gloss, and this was in the shade Zahava. My base underneath is the MAC YASH lipstick, nude lipstick, just for like a nude base. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I love the lip combo. I love the whole look entirely. I didn't apply any highlighter because again, I haven't been really loving the highlighter recently. I just dug my nail into this, like my nail's still recovering. Still recovering from that because I literally dug it in on live earlier. Pretty cute palette still. I really love the way this look turned out. Again, this is not a review, but I just want to say the colors in here are very pigmented. I did like this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. And of course, if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.